You must have noticed, you know, as I was discussing with you, that to me, Nifty looks on a very, very good support. And as it is, I'm feeling today, again, it's kind of this 10 moving average is taking a support on 50 moving average, you know. So that kind of gives me a good you know, indication that Nifty is in good uptrend. That is what my perception is. Let's see, you know, on my radar was today Gale. Gale is where I've entered. You know, I entered at about somewhere around 462 or something. Let me just see, where did I enter? Gale, I entered at 464.75, right? And where is it right now? 468.7. Let's see how it goes. And I'm waiting for it to hit my target because right now it is at R2. I'm expecting it to cross this level as well. Let's wait and see, you know. So let's go to Nifty and see what's happening in Nifty. You know, a bit of, you know, see, when you are in the market, a bit of going up and down will continue. But see this huge support for how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candles it has taken a support. Let's go to the option chain. You know, I was looking at it a few minutes back. This was the scenario. So 10,300, it was a call and winding happening, right? And at the same level, there was a huge call writing on the put side. Let me just refresh and see how the dynamics have changed. So the put writing has become stronger and the call and winding is also becoming larger. That means more chances of it to go up than to it to go down. What could be our target? 10,400. Yeah. See the huge call writing that's happening over here? A bit of hurdle at 10,350. Right now, where are we? We are at 10,350 itself. I'm talking about cash. The moment 10,350 is crossed, we will be in a good uptrend. We will be in a real good uptrend. That's what I'm expecting. Let me just put the, you know, pivot points also and see what's happening. And I'm feeling very happy, you know, when you people write that now, I mean, I think there is one a member called Praveen. He said, now I can analyze Nifty. And it gives me immense pleasure to, you know, see, to know that you guys are learning and you are understanding the movement of the market, right? It really gives me a lot of, you know, pleasure. And I feel very, you know, accomplished that at least, you know, a few people who trust me, they could transform the way they look at the market. So if you know Nifty, you know everything. You know, in the morning, I was in the downtrend. I have shorted Hindalco. I shorted Hindalco in the morning, right? And it gave me a good return. But the moment Nifty took a support, I immediately bought. I bought Gale, which has given me a good profit. And I bought this Tata Elxsi. These are the two stocks that I bought. You know, Tata Elxsi is also, see, this is the run-up it's giving. Right now it's taking the support at R2 and I'm expecting it to head up. Right. So if you understand, if you look at Nifty and you understand, you analyze and you believe, you trust your trades, you trust your setup, then your trades will also be in the same direction, right? So that is what I have done. Even, you know, I was wanting to short IndusInd Bank. So I shorted actually over here and it went up, hit my stop loss, and then again further it's going down. I can show you, you know, like I did IndusInd Bank also here. See IndusInd Bank, I shorted it. I shorted it at 1640. It hit my stop loss and it came back. I mean, my trade was bang on, but the thing is, probably I should have kept a deeper stop loss. So I sold when this candle was formed, this big candle was formed. I sold somewhere here, 1640 here. But again it went up and it came down. You know, I'm feeling a little bad about it, but then this is market. This is how market will, you know, make you go up and down. So right now I'm in long. I have bought Tata Elxsi, I have bought IDBI Bank, and I have bought Gale. These are the three stocks that I'm in. I'm on the buy side. Right? Why? Because I felt Nifty is bouncing back and it has crossed. See, morning mein when I did the trade, it was going down. When I took this good support on 15 minutes, I exited my trades, I went long. Now see, beautiful support it's taking on R1, right? The moment it crosses previous high, it will just take a flight up. It is just going to take a flight up after that. That's what my belief is. You know, like if it goes above this point, which is 10,353, then it is immediately, quickly, it's going to go another 15 points from here and touch today's high at least. And if it touches its today's high with momentum, then I'm 100% sure it'll break it also. It'll break it also. And where will it go up to? Let's see where will it go up to. And it'll go then till this point, which is 10,376. That is what I'm perceiving right now. You get my point? If it crosses this barrier, right, that's the immediate barrier, then it'll go to this point, which is its previous high. And if it breaks that with momentum, then it'll go to this point, which is 10,375, which is basically R2. Let's see how it goes, because right now there's about half an hour to open up the international market as well. And the international market, as we know, yesterday were very, very positive. I'm expecting markets to open up in a positive, with a positive note. And if it is so, Nifty will get a pump and Nifty will actually get a booster. And in all probability, it should go up from there. All right, so this is my analysis of Nifty. Let me just once refresh it again and see what's happening. So now this is where the stopover is, 10,400, right? It's supposedly it has crossed 10,350, right? So, and where is the stopover? Where is it that they have the ceiling? First ceiling you can look at is 10,300, right? So I think market right now is waiting for international market to open. Once it is open, then from there it's going to take a clue and go up or go down, decide its direction, right? So I'm just going to see, I'm just watching it. In case it goes below this candle gale, then I will exit my position. You know, otherwise if it crosses with momentum, if Nifty goes positive, then this will also go positive. Then I'm going to exit little later, right? But otherwise I do plan to, even similarly, this is Tata 𝐿XI. Tata 𝐿XI also is kind of going to be heading up, right? So today's video I really want to tell you is that if you understand the direction of Nifty, your trades also should be in the direction of Nifty, never against it, right? It will always be in the same direction. If Nifty is taking a support, you will see all your falling stocks will take a support. If Nifty is going up, all your stocks, but there is a way to identify, you know, there are some stocks which move with the direction of Nifty and some don't, you know. So you have to know those things very, very clearly. So I believe in few minutes, you know, right now, it's, what's the time? I'm just going to exit at 1:05. So I'm going to take another 10 minutes to exit this trade of 𝐴𝐿. I'm just waiting for this candle to give me a confirmation. If it is, you know, a red candle and crosses this particular candle, I'm going to exit it. So these are the three trades that are going on, right? Let's see what's happening in Bank Nifty also, because today Bank Nifty is not doing much. Let me just remove all the drawings and see what's happening. It is kind of taking a resistance. Can you see it? It's taking a resistance. Let me also make it a bit more clearer for you. So see here, it fell, it went up, and again experiencing a resistance, right? So the fight is on to defend its position, to be able to cross this 50 moving average. The fight is going on, and if it wins in the fight, the stock will go up. Otherwise it may not. So on our radar, in fact all the webinar member, we all had M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra, on our radar, because we have bought its call and we were stuck for quite many days, but it has taken a good flight up today. In fact, every one of us exited with profit. So that was one trade, which was a trade going on for quite some time. So I think Nifty is having a bit of profit booking coming in. So we have nothing to worry, because see what will happen. It'll go up, come down, touch this 10 moving average, then it'll further go up. So until candles touch the moving average, I mean, if it falls, it'll fall down to another 10 points or 15 points, right? And then again touch, and it will go up. So this is what my mindset is on, all these stocks. And one stock that I want to talk today, which has been just going up and up and up, which was on my radar, is Apollo Hospitals. See the beautiful run up. There have been no fall in it at all. See this, see it. One of my member has bought it at 110 at this point, and this is the run up he has enjoyed. So if you want to be in the stock market, you should know how to identify the correct trades and be in the right direction. And if you want to understand, you have to learn the market. You have to learn everything about the market. And now we start our webinar on 2nd of December. Almost yesterday evening, the entire evening, I was talking to the people, the members who want to join my webinar. It's at least, from 6 p.m. till 10 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. I was talking to my members who want to join my webinar. I believe you all really trust me, and I really will, reciprocate by not disappointing you in learning about the stock market. So one more thing that I want to I'm just looking at it is, can you see this trade of GALE? What a beautiful support. Can you see this beautiful support? This beautiful support has only pulled it up. Of course, it comes by the price action, but whenever you see such a support being built, means the stock has good opportunity. It's not going to fall down. When I teach my webinar members, I always tell them that the trades that I trust most, I would say, are the trades of support and trades of resistance, because they are almost 100%. See here, support, and this is the flight, right? This is the support here for so much long duration, and this is the flight, right? Same goes, why I wanted to short IndusInd Bank was resistance. Can you see this resistance? Price rejection. And this is the beautiful fall it had. Even I wanted to short Cholamandalam, but it is under the resistance, but it's not still falling, right? But IndusInd Bank was definitely on my radar. And what I wanted to do with Hindalco, I entered at this point. At this candle I entered, and this is what the beautiful run up it has given. And again, it's experiencing a little bit of resistance. Let's see how it goes, So what I'm saying, that understanding market correctly, analyzing the stocks correctly, creating your positions correctly, and then of course reaping the benefit of selecting the correct stock. If you want to learn, you please join the webinar, and please don't feel emotionally trapped. You don't need to be. I believe you are more emotionally trapped when you are doing your trades. That is where you are more emotionally trapped. You all stick to your losing positions because you believe that something will happen and it will become positive. That is more, I believe that is where you guys are more emotional than taking a decision to learn. There you people are hard-hearted. I would say, even if you have to take an emotional decision to learn, please take it, because this will transform your life. This will transform the way you look at the market. This will transform the way you do your trade, full of conviction, full of absolute clarity. There won't be any doubt in your mind when you will trade. So I'm waiting for you all. Let's just quickly once again glance into the Nifty and make up our mind from there. Okay, so Nifty is on a standstill right now. It's on a standstill. It's waiting for some kind of signals to come in from the international market. And if you know, since yesterday they have been massively positive, right? You never know how it's going to change, but as far as my technical setup is concerned and my understanding of the market is concerned, it looks to me on a support, right? You can see this moving average. You can see this pivot point, you can see this R1, candles are not crossing it. I'm expecting it to take a flight and go up. And as I explained you, with the help of, see, Gale is further going up. Gale is going up. This is going up. This is also doing fine. I entered at 949 in this, and I entered at this price only. Over here, I entered at I showed 464 or something. So I'm hoping to have good profits by the end of the day, and let's see how it goes. So I'm really waiting for you all, every single person out there, to take a decision and join. One good news I forgot to tell you, that now in our website, HDFC Bank credit card is activated. If you have a HDFC Bank or SBI card, State Bank of India card, you can avail the facility of EMIs, right? We have got it activated since yesterday night. So please now take this one step forward. You have even the option of paying by 24 EMIs. What could be a better proposition than that? Just pay your money in EMI and learn for the life. And we promise you that you will be able to recover whatever you invest in the market by learning from us. Okay, that is something I'm telling you, we take full responsibility of. Okay, so I can show you, I've shown you every single stock that I'm talking about is working in the right direction. Okay, before I close off, I have been getting, you people get so panic about 1 or 2 rupees. I just don't understand why. Navbharat Times, Navbharat Ventures. I mean, I've been just getting sleepless. I mean, I'm sure you guys are getting some sleepless nights because of this stock. Look at it today. It's gone up. I mean, somebody's asking me, how do I put the stop loss? You can't put stop loss if you want to carry it forward, right? See, this is how this has given a breakout. I don't think so you people have to really make so much of noise. Best Steel also we gave, right? I think Best Steel, or which one? Steel something. We have given Best Steel or something. I don't know which one was it. Steel Exchange, or I'll have to check. So every stock that we have given, Ignite, VIP Clothing also I can see for you. These are the VIP clothings. This is also what you people have been asking me. To me, as I have been telling you, there is no issue with VIP clothing. If at all any issue that may come in, it will come in only after it crosses 51 point something, right? At this point, I will be worried. Right now, I'm not. Or rather, I would say, if it goes below 50, 49 rupees is going to be my stop loss. Fine. Before that, you don't need to worry about it. Okay? So just, don't worry so much. I mean, in a day or two, a little bit here and there. What's the issue? I don't know what's the big deal. Why you guys are so panicked about few, few rupees here and there. I don't know. I mean, at least you should learn about it. And if you will rely on me, then please, don't take trades if you're not convinced. For 1 or 2 rupees, don't get so panicked. Okay? Because if you're in the market, you have to be brave-hearted. You can't be such, panic people. What do I do this? Now it's gone 1 rupee down, 2 rupee down. This is not the way. If you put the graph and see where is the support. These are the support lines, right? Wherever it's been bouncing back, if it falls below that, then you need to worry, right? I have looked into everything. I have looked into 100 things that I'd look into before I give you anything. So to me, there is no issue. If you have an issue, you have to put your stop losses every single day and then exit your trades. Fine. So, but I would say, if you are so worried, please learn it. Learn it. Now you have all the options of the credit cards. Whichever credit card you want to use and learn for your life. This is what I've been suggesting and saying time and again. Okay. Now, once again, Nifty is, as I told you, is on a support. We'll have to wait, right? We'll have to wait for another 15-20 minutes for international markets to open, or some kind of a breakout to come, and I'm 100% sure there should be breakout, either of the direction. It's in narrow range now, so there has to be a breakout. But to me, It looks positive. Fine. With this, I'm signing off. We'll meet tomorrow again. Bye-bye. Good day. Just a sec here.